Always on the lookout for what to do with that scrap wood. You want to figure out how to take even the smallest pieces of scrap wood and actually turn it into a profit? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you a simple project that you can do in about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm going to show you some options to customize it so that you can actually turn this into a great seller for your woodworking business. Step one is finding the actual thickness of our shelf. Now it looks to be 0.75 inches, but it's actually 0.742. I'll make it a little bit bigger, about 0.77, so that there's a little bit of give in it. And then let's just find a little piece of scrap wood. There's no right or wrong there. You can use the littlest pieces. And next we're just going to cut it down into a simple square. Again, it's not a right or wrong. You can make it whatever size, shape you want. And now we have to cut our groove. Now, this is a pretty deep groove. There are probably several ways to do this, but I just chose to take it over to the table saw. I know it's not going to be even, but I'm going to straighten it out in just a minute. Let's make sure we've got about 0.75 inches, 0.76 inches, so it'll fit on our shelf. And then I'll just simply hog out the rest of it. Once again, it's going to be uneven on the inside, but we'll clean that up. So I'm going to flatten it out as much as I can using my bandsaw. And then to get it as straight as I can, I will practice using my chisels. My chisel skills are renowned. Just kidding, I suck at using chisels, so this is good practice. From there, here's a way that you can actually turn this into a marketable product. Personalize it. If this is going to be a holder for your movie collection, well, then put a movie quote on there. If it's going to be for books, put a book quote on there. I'm a huge fan of the Goonies, so guess what? I'm personalizing it with my own graphic. From there, I want to round those edges, so I'll just take it over to the belt sander, give it a nice little round over. And then it's time for assembly. Now, this is a pretty high-tech process, so make sure you pay close attention. What do you think of my choice of movies there? I've got about 400. Those are just a few. And Walt approves. Now, if you enjoyed this project, make sure to click on this one right here. This is another simple project that you can create with scraps that you can actually make a little bit of money off of.